Super Kids! Let's move like warriors and dragons. Take a deep breath. Let's begin!
Stand with your feet wide like a strong horse. Bend your knees a little and gently shake your body up and down. Let your legs feel strong and powerful. Stand tall and make big circles with your arms like spinning wheels. Move slowly and smoothly to wake up your shoulders and back. Move your whole body gently from side to side. Let your arms and body flow like water. Feel your body wake up and move easily. Lift your arms like big eagle wings and gently strike forward. Move with energy and strength like a flying eagle. One hand reaches up to the sky and the other down to the ground. Then gently turn your body side to side. Stretch tall and feel your spine grow strong. Step 1 foot forward like an archer. Twist your body and move your elbows back and forth. Keep your chest open and move gently. Stay in your horse stance. Reach one arm over your head and stretch to the side like a rainbow. Feel a nice stretch in your body. Stay in horse stance and gently shake your waist from side to side. Let your body relax and move freely. twist your waist gently while your arms swing like soft ropes. Let your arms relax and follow your body. Reach one arm up and stretch your body to the side. Then switch sides. Grow tall like a tree in the wind. Turn your body gently from side to side, like a long dragon moving. Keep your spine relaxed and flowing. Swing your arms softly, as if you are pulling the moon from the sky. Move slowly and breathe calmly. Move lightly and smoothly like a tiny dragon gliding in the air. Keep your body soft and flowing.
Great job, Super Kids! You move like strong warriors and dragons. Subscribe to Super Kids Fit and see you next time. Bye-bye!